Using stone within your landscape project is a popular and low maintenance option. The only upkeep it may require from time to time is a bit of a clean. Dependent on the type of stone you have and the area in which it has been put, how often you have to clean it will vary. Light coloured stones tend to discolour quicker and often develop a green tinge due to the algae that forms on the surface. Stones that are in damp conditions or don't see much sunlight will grow the algae faster. Additionally, softer materials that are more porous, such as limestone, sandstone or marble, will discolour quicker than hard-wearing materials such as granite, flint or quartz. As you can see here, our apricot gravel is a quartz material that has been laid for 3 years and has minimal discoloration. However, our flamingo chippings are not only a light coloured product, but they are also marble and have developed a considerable greenish tinge. We do suggest using a weed membrane under gravel chippings, as this will help to keep the stones cleaner for longer. At Stone Warehouse, we often get asked the best way to keep gravel, pebbles, cobbles and boulders clean. There are actually numerous ways in which you can maintain the cleanliness of your stones. Some are more suitable than others, dependent on the size of material you are cleaning and how much effort you want to put into cleaning them. The easiest way to clean your stone is with a power hose. However, this may not be suitable if the stones are likely to move around a lot. A high pressure garden hose can also be effective in the removal of dirt and algae. A scrubbing brush can also be used on any kind of aggregate, along with a mix of water and washing up liquid or vinegar. After scrubbing the stone, rinse off the mixture with a hose. If your gravel drive has a lot of dirt and debris in it, you can use a shovel to remove the stone and put it through a sieve, which will shake off the majority of the mud. It can then be washed down with a hose. However, if you're trying to clean a large area, this could take you some time. There are products on the market that advertise themselves as suitable for cleaning stones. Thank you for watching our How to Clean Your Stone video.